Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning enter settings and find display. In here you've got all your settings for your display. For example, you can change between light and dark mode or schedule it. Also in more dark mode options, you can select apps that are working in this mode. Next, we can change brightness level or set automatic brightness. Also, we can enable or disable sunlight mode. Then, we can adjust anti-flicker mode between regular and anti-flicker. Here, we can turn on or off reading mode, adjust it or schedule it. In color scheme, you can change color temperature or scheme. Next, we can change display resolution between Full HD and Ultra HD. Next, we've got refresh rate. You can set between high and standard. AI image engine. Text size. When device is in VR, you can select to reduce flicker or reduce blur. Full screen mode for apps and auto rotate screen. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.